Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more. So we're in three right now. So can we give AL three big hands? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. So
Napaka-maasikaso sa bisita.
go. So now, yung losing team, come on this side. Okay, so hindi pa kayo tapos? Arrange your group according to your birth month. Go! To your face, volume, go! Here you go, next round. Okay, listen. And for the parents,